Hello everyone, welcome to the channel IGCSE&GCE MATHS School. Today we are going to do the paper 1 of Mathematics D of Cambridge O-Level, October number 2023. In this paper we have discussed until the question 19. Today the discussion is from question 20. Question 20 factorize. Question 20. Let's see what's in question 20. Question 20 you have to factorize. A. 2cd plus c minus 6d minus 3. B part. 3y squared minus 27t squared. Then we will take Q20. Q20A. For the part, factorize 2cd plus ce minus 6d minus 3. Now you have to factorize. First of all, there is a statement with 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks of terms. So then first of all, see that there is a factor common for all 4 blocks. Here they take the number, here 2 is there, no 2 is not there, 6 here, 3, then 3 is 2 is not a factor of 3, so therefore there's no common numerical term, numerical factor. Then you take the term c here, c is not a common factor for all 4, and take d here, d is not here, and here d is not, d is also not a common factor for all 4 blocks of terms. Then check E, here there's no E, here there's no, the E is also not a common factor for all 4 blocks of terms. So therefore we cannot take a common factor for all 4 blocks of terms, so therefore we separate this into 2 statements, like take 2 blocks of terms and 2 blocks of terms. Now I have separated this into 2 statements of 2 blocks of terms each. Now see, here now factorize these 2 terms separately. There's a common factor c. Take c out. Then what is left here? 2d plus e. Okay. Now take the common factor for these 2. That is 3. 3 is common. Take negative 3. Then you can get the same terms as is in this pair of brackets, in this pair of brackets also. So 6, take 3 to this side, minus 3, then here 2d and minus c, so plus c. Okay. Now you have got the same terms in both pairs of brackets. Then again, this statement is common for these 2 blocks of terms. This one block, this the other block. Then 2d plus e is common, take that out. 2d plus e is taken out. Then what is left? C is here. Then what is left here? Minus 3. These are all factors. Right. Now part B. Part B we have 3y squared minus 27 t squared. Okay. Now you see there is then 3 is a factor of 3 and 3 is a factor of 27 also. There are 3 is common factor. Take that first of all out. Then it is y squared here 9 t squared. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Okay. Now this factorization is not over here. It is not fully factorized. Then we can do further factorization here. Then we write 3y squared here. Then we can write 9 as 3 squared. 3 times 3 is 9. That is 3 squared is 9. Then instead of 9 we can put 3 squared. Then you can put t squared here. Then we can write here 3. Then y squared. Then minus 3t. Whole thing is squared. This common power. Take it out like this. Okay. We can write it like this. Then we apply this method. A squared minus b squared equals a squared minus b squared equals a plus b, a minus b. Right. Okay. Then this is the difference of 2 squares. This square minus this square. A square minus b square. Difference of 2 squares. These are the factors of difference of 2 squares. A plus b, a minus b. So you can apply that for this one. We can write here y squared minus 3t squared. Then following the same factorization rule, we can apply, we can factorize this. This is also difference of 2 squares. Y squared minus 3t whole thing squared. Then we can add here what is instead of a here is y. Instead of b here it is 3t. Then we can write a plus 3t and a minus 3t. Okay, they are the factors. Then we can write this factorization. Factorization of this like that. Here 3 comes, then one factor here y plus 3t, another one y minus 3t. Okay, that is the full factorization. Okay, right. So that is about factorizing that. That is question 20. Now question 21. Okay. Now question 21. When it comes to question 21, here there are two diagrams given, A and B. Diagram A is a sector of a circle. Then this this angle is 6x. Then its radius is 3 over 4y. Its radius is 3 over 4y. Right? Then this is sector of a circle, this whole thing. Then this is an arc. Then you can complete if you want this part also of the circle. Like this. Then this part is minor arc. This is called in this when you mark 2 points on a circle, then that circle is divided into 2 arcs by this 2 points. Then the smaller part is called minor arc. Yeah? This longer part arc is called the major arc. Right? Okay. Then this minor arc is subtending this angle at the center. D is the center. Then this major arc subtends this angle at the center. That is our 360 minus 6x, because this whole thing is 360. This part is 6x. This part will be 360 minus 6x. Right? Okay. Now come to this diagram. This is also a sector of a circle. Then this is the angle at the center. Then the angle. Then this is arc. This arc of arc. This arc of this larger circle. If you complete the circle, then this arc subtends angle x at the center. Then y is the radius of this one. Okay. Then length, they say length of the major arc EF. Major arc EF means this one. Then is 9 times the arc QR. Then this length of this arc, major arc EF, is 9 times the length of this arc. Then we write that point here, Q21. Major arc EF EF equals 9 times arc QR. Arc QR. Right. Then 9 times arc QR. Okay. Now how do we find the arc length? Arc length. There is a formula for finding the arc length. That is arc length. Arc length equals theta over 360 into 2 pi r. That is how you find the arc length. Theta is this angle at the center. This one. Here in this case, if you want to find the length of arc QR, this is the theta value. Then this, if you want to find the length of this arc, then angle subtended by that arc at the center is 360 minus 6x. Then Q theta is 360 minus 6x. Like, okay. Then we will apply this to this one. Then major arc EF. How do you find that length? 360 minus 6x. 6x minus over 360 into 2 pi r. 2 into pi into r equals 3 over 4 y equals, then say 9 times RQR. 9 times RQR. RQR means then theta again 360. The same principle is used to find the RQR also. Then there the angle is there the angle is x. Then x over 360 into 2 into pi into y. Y is the R. Okay. Now you simplify. Now simplify. Divide both sides by 2 pi y. Then you can cancel y 2 2. Then this y, this pi, this 2. Okay, cancel. Okay. Then you can write what is left, 360 on this side, 6x over 360 minus 3 over 4 equals 9 into x means 9x. 9 into x, 9x. 9x over 360. Okay. Now you remove this 4 and 360 multiply by those two. Here you multiply 360 and 360 and 4. This side also multiply by 360 and 4. Then this cancel. This cancel. Then this 4 also cancel for this 4. Now what is left here is 360 minus x minus 6x multiplied by 3, here 9x. That is all that is left there. 360, 3 times 360 minus 6x equals 9x. Right. Now you remove brackets. Then here see the 3 times 0, 3 times 6, 18. 1 is left, 3 times 3, 9, 10 minus 18x equals 9x. Okay. 9x. Here this is not just 9x here. 9x times 4, 36x. Here was 36x. Okay. Then you take this 18x to that side. Then 1080 equals how much? 54x. 54x. When 18 is taken to that side, it is plus 18x plus 36 is 54x. Then both side is divided by 54. Then x equals 20. X equals 20. That is what they ask. Length of the major arc EF is 9 times the arc QR. Show that x is equals 20. Yes, that is how it is. It is shown. Right. This is 54. That is 54. Right. Okay. Okay. Now both sides is divided by 50. Answer equals 20 degrees. Right. That is done. Now the second part. Now the second part they ask us to show that. I will erase this answer of the question 20. Right. And question 20. Then as part, that is part A. This is part B. Question 21, part B. Question 21, part B. Find the value of y when the area of QPR is 2 pi centimeter square. Then they say that the area of this QPR sector, this whole thing is 2 pi. And find the value of y. If it is the area of the sector QPR is 2 pi, we ask to find the value of y. Right. Then what sector area? Sector area equals theta over 360 into pi r square. Okay, that is the formula of find sector area. Theta is the angle at the center again. Here. In this case, it is pi, right? In this case, it is x, right? Then find the value of y when the area of the PQR sector is 2 pi. Then area of PQR equals x over 360 into pi into y square. R is y. R means radius is y. Then area of PQR is 2 pi here. It is given here 2 pi. Then you write here 2 pi. Then equals here x is over 360 into pi into y square. Then you have to find y. Therefore, divide both sides by pi. Pi get cancelled. Then what is left here? 2 plus x over 360 into y square. Then take 360 to this side, multiplication. 2 into 360. Then this x we know how much. Then x is on this side, x into y square. X we know calculated here, x value here, y 20. Then write to 720 equals x means 20 into y square. Then y squared equals 720 over 20. This. Then this is 36. What is left here? 36. Then y equals, then square root 36. How much? Y equals 6. Then 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. That is the y value. Y value is 6 centimeters. Square root 36 is 6, right? Okay. Now the next one. Now the next one is question 22. Question 22. Question 22. Okay. Question 22. Question 22 says here that two matrices have been given. Then they are to be multiplied. When these two matrices are multiplied, this is the resultant matrix. Then how do we get this one? They ask first part. Q22A. First part they say show that x squared minus 3x equals 0. Then that is only in x. It is not in y. Therefore, we will multiply this row by this column. Then x into x. How much? X minus 1 equals plus 3 into 2 equals this. Then we multiply this row by this column. Then this into this. That is x into x minus 1 plus this into this. 6. 3 into 2 equals this is the element. You get this to get this element. This is the first row element. 26 plus 6. Okay. Then you it is not 20, it is 2x. I'm sorry. Right. It's like that. Okay. Then this into this plus this into this equals x plus 6 plus 6. Okay. Then you write x squared minus x, remove bracket, then plus 6 equals 6 plus x. Then This 6 goes to that side, become negative 6, and then take this to this side, x squared minus 6, this plus 2. So this should be, this question is wrong. Then this will be 6 plus 2x. Should be 2x like that. Okay, right. Then this plus 2x. Okay. Then remove bracket, x squared minus x, then 6, then this 2x here. Then bring this 2x to this side, then minus x minus 2x. Then take this 6 to this side, that is 6 minus 6 equal. Then it will be here x squared minus 3x equals 0. This is the answer. Right. Right. X plus 2x. Right. Then we have to solve x squared, then we have to solve it. B1. B1, we have to solve this. You get x squared minus 3x equals 0. Then take x out. X squared minus 3 equals 0. Then you equate each factor to 0. X equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. Then x equals 0 or x equals 3. This will be the answer. Okay. Now they say B part B2. They ask you to find the value of y when x greater than 0. Then find the value of y when x greater than 0. Then how do you write the equation for y? How do you get y? This multiplied by this. Right. You write 2 times this multiplied by this, x minus 1, and this multiplied by this, plus x plus 1 multiplied by 2. Okay. Then equals y. Right. Now they ask when the value of y when x greater than 0. Here two answers for x equals 0, x equals 3. That means x greater than 0 means then this value only should be taken, that x equals 3. Then you have to find the value of y when x equals 3. Then substitute 3 minus 1, 3. 3 plus 1 into 2 equals y. Then 3 minus 1, 2, 2 times 3, 6, plus 3 plus 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8 equals y. Then y equals how much? 40. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, that's all. Those 3 questions are answered. That is all about that this video, and I wish you all the best and expecting to meet you in an interesting video, and see you. Goodbye and